ever under my banner. I never got involved with fighters to make money from them. I wanted to put them in a position so they can make a lot of money, so they can make a lot of revenue, not just inside the ring.
Type thing, like come back and help too, you know what I mean? So it's much love to the whole Mayweather promotion.
Floyd Mayweather has finally stepped in to help Gervonta Davis navigate his struggles as rumors grow about a sudden retirement.
What's going on with Tank, and are we going to see, and when are we going to see him back?
They got a little legal issue. As soon as they get through the courts, they'll set a date, and all we can do is wait. I don't get into that side, you know what I mean? I'm just there when he...
Floyd Mayweather's decision aims to revive Gervonta Davis's career, the same career he helped build from the start. Davis has been struggling on multiple fronts, from mental health battles and a winless fight against Lamont Roach to being taken into custody over a violent crime. With his guidance, Mayweather hopes to pull Davis away from the intense pressure of boxing long enough for him to recover, regain stability, and return stronger to continue his journey.
Tell him again, Floyd.
I'm here 1,000 times.
Let's go, Ryan! You can upset the world, though, man. Oh, yeah.
In making this move, Floyd Mayweather reached out to Gervonta Davis through coach Calvin Ford. Despite rumors of tension between Ford and Davis after Ford was absent from Tank's corner in his last fight, both welcomed Mayweather back with open arms. And now the boxing world watches closely to see what's next for Gervonta Davis after reuniting with his former mentor. Unfortunately, the controversies surrounding him have grown so intense that many boxing figures are openly commenting on his ongoing struggles.
I came and got you from the beginning because I wanted to see you be great. I wanted to see you do great pay-per-view numbers. I wanted to see you win. And that goes to every fighter. There was